Lila loved the sky after the rain. The air smelled fresh and clean. Tiny water drops sparkled on the grass like diamonds in the morning light. One day, after a heavy storm, she saw the brightest rainbow ever. Its vibrant colors stretched high above the meadow, painting the gray clouds. "I want to find where it begins," she whispered, with wide, wonder-filled eyes. She ran across the field, her shoes splashing through the little puddles. But the rainbow seemed to move with her, always staying a little farther away. Her legs grew tired from the chase, and she finally stopped, breathing hard. As she gazed at the glowing arch, she realized a beautiful, simple truth. The rainbow was never meant to be caught. It was a gift for everyone. Smiling, Lila lifted her face to the colors, feeling a deep, quiet peace. She promised to keep that joy in her heart, like a rainbow inside her soul.